Hey everyone! Renata from Crafty Renata here. In this week's video, I'm doing a summer craft. I'm going to show you how to tie-dye a t-shirt using ice. You're going to need a t-shirt, preferably cotton, hand-wash fabric dyes, a plastic container, some sort of grid. This one's a microwave grid, rubber bands, and ice, baby. Crushed ice cubes, ice balls, whatever you prefer, but you'll need quite a lot of it. Rubber gloves can also come in handy. If your t-shirt is new, wash it first. Don't let it dry. Turn your container around and lay the damp t-shirt with the front part facing up. Scrunch up the t-shirt like this. I'll put links to the materials used in the description. You can place rubber bands around your tee to hold everything together. Turn your container around and place your grid into or on top of the container. I'm removing my rubber bands as I feel my t-shirt will probably stay crunched up well without them, but you can leave them on if you want to. Cover your entire t-shirt with ice. Then sprinkle the powdered fabric dyes directly onto the ice. Let your ice melt. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far, please click the like button. Once your ice is all melted, rinse your tea well. An optional step near the end is to add some vinegar to your water and let it soak for a while. This is said to fixate dyes even more. Then wash your t-shirt and hang to dry. Even though this technique uses a lot more dye than the usual tie-dye techniques, I absolutely love the way it looks. Don't you? Here's another example of this technique. You may also like some of my other videos, so be sure to check them out and don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!